Welcome to my channel. So reading for Scorpio from now until end of August. I have pre-shuffled the card and I'm shuffling it again. What can Scorpio expect in love from now until end of August? What can Scorpio expect in love from now until end of August? What Scorpio's energy going to be like from now until end of August? The person coming towards Scorpio, what is their energy and intention coming towards them? And how the two of you, that is Scorpio and the person they are romantically connected with, see this relationship and the possible outcomes for the next 12 days. And Scorpio expecting love, what's coming towards Scorpio in love for the next 12 days. I see balance coming in this relationship slowly but surely. Balance is there's going to be balance in this relationship. Some of you are connected with Sagittarius. The other part of I see balance coming back in your life. Yeah, so you both are wanting to share as to how you feel towards each other. Very truthful, very straightforward communication. I see very swift communication happening in the coming days. You both are willing to share with each other as to what you felt in the past days, and you share basically what you feel towards this relationship. I see communication happening in the coming days. So first role will be your energy, second role will be the person's energy, how they are coming towards you, and the third role will be the combined energy and the possible outcomes. So you have Justice, you have Ace of Pentacles, you have Daughter of Pentacles, and you have Daughter of Swords. So you are very much planning right now as to what you need to do in order to move towards your soulmate. You want to move towards them and share as to what you feel. Very truthful, very straightforward messages. Daughter of Pentacles, you are very much planning about it, and you are very much willing to move forward in this relationship. You have very much manifested this new beginning. You have really prayed and just manifested this new beginning together. Justice, I see balance coming back in your relationship. Or for the other part of you, you are connected with a Libra sign, but you both want balance back in this relationship. I see you both wanting that balance, that peace in this relationship. If previously there was conflicts happening, I see peace. If someone was cheating you or lying to you, or doing something that was unfaithful, I see that coming to light. You will be able to come to know about it very soon. So let's see your personal energy, how they are coming towards you. Angel, spirit, cards, their and special bus reading for how this person is coming towards Scorpio. Their energy and intention coming towards Scorpio. We have 8 of Pentacles, we have 10 of Cups, we have the Fool, very good energy, and we have the Father of Swords. So let's start from Father of Swords. This person I feel is an air sign for some of you, not all. Libra, Gemini, or an Aquarius. This person is someone who doesn't like clingy partners. They like their own space. The person who is very truthful, very loyal, very straightforward, but this person has finds it a little hard to express their feelings. When it comes to expressing feelings and emotions, they lack in that department. This person is very much straightforward, very loyal, very much loyal, and this person is very much willing to come towards you with a truth. The Fool, they are very much wanting to take that leap of faith in this relationship. If previously they were lacking that forward movement, that willpower, I very much see them wanting to take a leap of faith and have that willing to take that risk in order to move towards you. 10 of Cups, they consider you a wish fulfillment. They have lots of emotions, lots of feelings, lots of love, lots of cups to offer to you. I see them as they see you as their happiness, their dream. 8 of Pentacles, they are willing to put in work. They are very much willing to put in work, very much willing to put in invest in this relationship, very much wanting to grow this relationship is what I get. Let's see how the two of you see the relationship and the possible outcomes. Very good cards. Angel, spirit cards, and the special message as to how you both see this relationship and the possible outcomes for the next 12 days. 9 of Cups. Four of Pentacles, still holding on to each other. 8 of Wands and 9 of Pentacles. 9 of Cups, 9 of Pentacles. So there will be a completion in your situation. If previously there was thing was stagnant, I see things moving forward now. Number 9 is a good card to get. Then you have Nine of Cups, again a wish fulfillment card. You both have lots of emotion, mutual love, mutual happiness, mutual, everything is mutual in this relationship, mutual respect. I see you very much holding on to each other very tightly. You are very much not willing to let this go. Eight of Wands, you are both wanting to message each other. You're very much wanting to reach out to each other. Eight of Wands is always messages, straightforward messages, messages going up and down, on both sides. Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles in a single energy is a card where you are independent and you are happy by yourself. But in a combined reading, where how the both of you see the relationship, this person, when they are with you, they don't really need anyone else, and same goes for you as well. When you are with them, you don't really need anyone else. So you both make each other feel complete, and you both love each other unconditionally. Is what I read from these cards. So this was your energy for the next 12 days. If there was stagnation, which I see, there was a little stagnation and conflicts. I still see conflicts happening right now. For those who are in conflicts and separation, I very much see your person very much willing to come towards you. If your person was commitment phobic, now they are very much wanting to take that forward step, take that risk, take that leap of faith in order to come towards you. They love you unconditionally. They want to put in work in the situation. If previously they were lacking that commitment and that willingness to move in this relationship, they are very much wanting to work, very much coming towards you with the truth. I see them finding it a little tough to share their feelings and emotions, but this person is very straightforward, very loyal, very truthful, and yeah, this person is very much wanting to come towards you with the truth. All cards are good. Bottom card was 10 of Pentacles. So I see a completion. I see stability coming in your life. Stability in terms of work life, love life. I see that stability slowly but surely it's coming your way. So let's see any cards to clarify. Okay, let's take one more card for you. I don't have any cards to clarify. All cards are positive. The Moon card. You people are still holding secrets from each other. Previously you or your person were doing something sneaky or doing something behind each other's back. Someone was being a little, not unfaithful, but being a little deceptive in this relationship, being a little manipulative. But I feel that's going to come to light now. But you are hiding your feelings. I feel like Moon card is always that secrecy hiding card. I feel your person was hiding their feelings from you. They were very closed off and hiding as to what they feel towards you, and same goes to you. Even you are hiding certain things from them. This is a mutual card. Let's see your combined messages and angel guidance messages we have for you. What does Scorpio need to know? What does Scorpio need to know and be guided on? Angel messages. Attraction. You attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. Bottom card. Let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. So this was your two angel messages. I see you coming. If you are in separation, I see contact happening. I see them messaging you, and you very much wanting that same from them. You are very much wanting them back in your life. If you are in separation, they as well want you back in their life. I see union happening in September. A very good energy. So please enjoy your coming days and be open to love, happiness and joy. So if you have enjoyed my reading, if you have resonated with my reading, please like, please comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great week ahead.